Hi. So for the week 12 exercise, I have been tasked to share using any of the structure, any of the pattern of data as provided in the slides. So I have chosen this model, the second one, in which the customers comes at the top, and then the sales, and then the orders. So I've created the MongoDB document here. So the insert function I have used by creating the uh, creating through the MongoDB Atlas. So if I just show it, I basically went to the insert document section and created this CNAME Strober City Valparaiso. This is an array of objects carrying my last name, my city, and the commission. Similarly, these are the orders that I have added on my own. So this is the structure that I have created. Secondly, I've been tasked in the second part to deploy a sales number, sales name, city, and commission to a customer whose name is this and was given these orders. So I've used uh, using this CMD. I've used this command db customers.update. I've selected the ID of the document. Then I'm setting the array of objects with snum, year, sname, as the name is empty there, so I've selected this, an empty space, salespeople city, Valparaiso, salespeople's commission 0.25 when I added it. So it has not modified here because it has previously modified this thing, and it can be shown here in the MongoDB Atlas that the changes have indeed taken effect. So this is the grass, and the sales people has changed. The sales person has been added to this object. So this is what I believe the required task for the lab of week 12. Thank you.